again, my best and smart students. How are you? ¿Cómo están? Good? Excellent. I'm so happy because we will work together learning more English. Y estoy contenta porque juntos vamos a aprender más inglés. And now I hope you are okay and ready to start with the class. Y ahora espero que estés listo para empezar con nuestra clase. Are you ready? Yes? Good. So let's start. Today we will learn about some special animals. Animals that aren't live at home. Hoy vamos a aprender sobre unos animales especiales. Animales que no pueden vivir en la casa. Because they live in the forest or mountains. Porque ellos viven en la selva o en las montañas. They are wild animals. Ellos son animales salvajes. So our topic is wild animals. Entonces nuestro tema es animales salvajes. Do you like animals? Do you like wild animals? ¿Te gustan los animales salvajes? Yes? Good. So, let's learn about these animals. Ahora vamos a aprender sobre estos animales.
Here we have a wild animals. Aquí tenemos los animales salvajes. Wild animals don't live in your house. They live in a wild habitat, which is their natural home, like a racefor, a mountain, a desert, a savanna, or a grassland. Los animales salvajes no viven en tu casa, ellos viven en un hábitat salvaje que es su casa natural, como una selva tropical o una montaña. Let's learn more wild animals with the teacher Lucia.
Hello guys, today we learn about wild animals. Listen and repeat. Octopus, jaguar, lion, giraffe, elephant, polar bear. What's your favorite wild animal?
This is my favorite wild animals, and now let's get to know them. Ahora vamos a conocerlos. This is jaguar. Jaguars live in tropical forests. They get their own food. Jaguars are big cats. They eat meat. And this is giraffe. Giraffes live in savannas or grasslands. They get their own food. They eat plants. And this is polar bear. Most polar bears occur north of the Arctic Circle to the North Pole. They usually eat seals. They get their own food. The last one is octopus. Octopuses live in every ocean of the world. They get their own food. Octopuses are sea animals. They eat clams, snails, and small fishes.
Now we will do your exercises. Are you ready? Let's do it.
Exercise 1. True or false, write T, true or F, false next to the sentences. No te olvides de corregir tus oraciones falsas. Number 2. Jaguars eat fish. False because jaguars eat meat. Number 3. Polar bears get their own food. Is true. Number 4. Giraffes live in savannas or grasslands. Is true. 5. Wild animals live at home. That is false because wild animals live in a wild habitat. Exercise 2. Draw the wild animals according to the description. Debes dibujar el animal de acuerdo a la descripción. They live in savannas or grasslands. They get their own food. They eat plants. Is giraffe. They live in tropical forests. They get their own food. They are big cats. They eat meat. Is jaguar. Exercise 3. Circle the wild animals. Debes encerrar en círculo los animales salvajes. A hen, a cow, or a lion. Is a lion. Very good job. Finish our class, children. See you next week. Bye.